What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how to take care of your turn signal indicator, especially when you replace your light bulbs to LED light bulbs for your turn signal. You will notice that once you turn on the turn signal, it will be a lot faster, right? So I got it that way. See, you see how fast it's going. So the main reason for that is the switch that triggers the turn signal to do that. It normally does that when your original light bulb is going bad or when you replace it with an LED light bulb. So what you normally do is replace it with one that's for a lower rating, and the reason for that is the ones that you have here, like this one up here. So you get this one, as you can see, it says for LED application. That would take care of the fast blinking, or the rapid blinking of the light bulb. Some people it's annoying. For me, it's normal. My wife told me that she doesn't like it, and I understand that. So that's why I want to go ahead and replace it. Now, the first thing you want to do is take off the what do you call it? So up here there's a cover. I guess it's you can call it a cup. I mean, it's not a cup holder though, but there's this guy that's normally here though. So that's the first thing you take off. I'll show you how to take it out. So the reason why I'm telling you need to take this off, because the switch that you want to replace it with is actually located right behind this guy. And so what you normally do, and you can do it with one hand, like I'll show you, just kind of play with it a little bit, unhook it from the latch that's down there. Then again, I said sorry, you can do it with one hand, like I just say. You see, it wasn't that bad though, because what you have here is this hook. You have that hook up there and the hook on the other side, and normally it goes on this guy up here, that one and that one. So the only way I knew that this switch is the one that's bad, I mean not bad, but the one that needs to be replaced, is when you put in your key, you don't have to turn your car all the way in, but you can have it on ACC, and you do your turn signal. If you put your ear close to here, you can feel like that's the one that's making that noise. Even when you put your hand there, there's some vibration that's coming out from it though. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take this out. All right, guys, I was able to take off the old one. This is the old one that was on the vehicle. This is for the regular light bulbs. The one I just put in is for the LEDs. This box right here is actually located on this slot right here. So the problem is this space is very small to work with. Unfortunately, I had to break this piece off, that plastic piece off, just to get this out, because this one was very, very tight in there and stuff like that though. So it wasn't the easiest thing ever. I'm pretty sure there's other easier way of doing it though. That's just how I did it. Again, I don't recommend doing that, but what I'll do is I'll actually put some electrical tape on it on the side. That way it can be secured well in there though, and stuff like that though. That way it doesn't just hang around that way, because when it hangs around that way, it might make noise when it hits the other plastic piece off and stuff. But the light works fine right now. Before, I don't know if I showed you guys, or the lights were just flashing like real fast, but now it's just a normal signal. So actually, let me do that. Let me see. See, so now it's just a normal flashing rather than the fast flashing that it was doing before though. So it's not the easiest way to do it though. Like I say, the spacing here, I saw another person do it on YouTube, because I even started to doubt myself. I was like, can this thing even come out? The space is very small. Like, I got very skinny hands, and just getting my hands up there to apply that switch to go up, it was extremely hard. But yeah, so that's how it's done. So if you have any questions, just comment below, ask me. I'll be more than happy to help out. All right, thanks. Guys, just actually going back to what I just said, I was able to kind of have it in there though. So right now it's actually pretty steady in there. I don't have to put any electrical tape around it, so it's actually holding up pretty well. So it won't move around. I'll check it out in about a week. Like I said, it's not the professional way of doing it. It's just the hands are really, really tight to get in there though, like, and you need both hands. So when I had both hands in there though, I was, as you can see, I'm scratching myself pretty bad up there. So it's just, the space is very little. If there was a place where I could get it from up top this way, that would have been perfect, or maybe the side, but there's nothing like that though. So it's not meant to be removed anyways. I doubt it. This thing will probably outlast the car's lifetime. So the only reason I had to replace it is because I put LED light bulbs and they seem to flash fast. So this switch that I just put in, that one that's in there is just has low voltage though, so that way it doesn't have to flash fast. Because as you guys know, the reason why the light, when you find your turn signal flashing fast, is when it's going out, you know. So yep. All right guys, hopefully this video helps you guys out, and like I said, if you have any questions, just let me know. Leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. All right, thanks.